Get ready for a nature spectacle starring the show-stopping, long-wattled umbrella bird. Take a look at this long, pendulous wattle hanging from its neck, resembling an avant-garde umbrella. But this flamboyant display isn't just decorative. It's a crucial element in their elaborate courtship rituals. In this meticulously choreographed performance, the male showcases a masterful dance, skillfully swinging its long wattle forward. This creates a captivating spectacle that not only communicates flair, but is also a declaration in the pursuit of a mate. But the surprises don't end here. Despite their ostentatious appearance, these birds paradoxically master stealth. In the dense foliage, they navigate with surprising silence, revealing a side that contradicts their flashy exterior.